Okay students, so in the last video we discussed about the expansion of British rule in India. Yes, and how the British came and they got the permission by trading without paying tax. But what happened? The other private traders also started trading with India without paying taxes, and this was opposed by the Nawab of Bengal. That means who was Nawab at that time? Murshid Quli Khan, who opposed, and after Murshid Quli Khan, the next Ali Vardi Khan, who was son of Sirajuddaulah, he also opposed the British to follow the terms and conditions. Okay, and then they have some disputes and they had a battle, they fought with each other, okay, battle with British. So now we will study the battles which are held, what was the name of that battle and what battles are started. So the battle is Battle of Plassey. ये युद्ध कहाँ हुआ था? प्लाजी में. So that is why this name of the battle is Battle of Plassey. Yes, why this battle held? Because they are not following the terms and conditions. They are not paying the taxes. Yes, according to the terms and conditions, the private companies are also. So due to that, this British had a dispute with the Nawab of Bengal, and then they had a battle. So and we know that these both are son of Sirajuddaulah. So now they had a battle between Sirajuddaulah. Sirajuddaulah became Nawab of Bengal in the year 1756. So now who was the Nawab of Bengal? Sirajuddaulah in 1756. He had an overwhelming influence on over the British. The British had the competitors of Sirajuddaulah by conspiring against him so that he could not remain on the throne of Bengal. Now what happened? Sirajuddaulah जो थे उनका प्रभाव ब्रिटिश पे बहुत ज़्यादा था. That means ब्रिटिश से सिराजुद्दौला का पावर बहुत ज़्यादा था. And everyone in that area always used to listen to Sirajuddaulah. So now what the British did, अब सिराजुद्दौला को एक नवाब की पोस्ट से हटाने के लिए they want to throw Nawab of Bengal, that means Sirajuddaulah, from his throne. So what he did, he supported his competitors, those who are competitors of Sirajuddaulah, उनका साथ दिया ताकि वो सिराजुद्दौला को अपनी इस पोस्ट से हटा सके. Yes, so he started helping and the competitors, which those who are the competitors of Sirajuddaulah. Yes, जो उनके दुश्मन हैं उनका साथ दिया ब्रिटिश ने against Sirajuddaulah, who remained on the throne. Why he did so? To remove him from the throne of Bengal. There were frequent conflicts with the British merchants regarding payment of taxes when the British merchants failed to pay the taxes. There were so many conflicts and disputes whenever these British traders are not paying the taxes. Whenever they fail to pay taxes, there are some disputes and conflicts occurs with these Nawabs and the British merchants. Okay, so which were applicable to both Indian and foreign merchants. Which were applicable to both Indian and foreign merchants. Yes, only East India Company got to trade without paying tax, but the other Indians and the other British merchants, they have to pay the taxes. So whenever the Indian merchant or any other British merchants fail to pay taxes, they have some conflicts. So ये rule सबके लिए same था. The situation came to a boil. अब ये situation control में नहीं थी. It is flaming. It is in a boil position. So he ordered that the British should not fortify the factory, pay the taxes as per the rules and trade as per the terms and conditions. Now the Nawab Sirajuddaulah ordered the British that they should not build any factory and they should not fortify the factory. वो फैक्ट्री के आसपास में कोई भी तरह का प्रोटेक्शन के लिए फोर्टिफिकेशन नहीं बना सकते. This order was passed by the Nawab, that means Sirajuddaulah. Okay, why? If they are not going to pay the taxes, they are not going to follow the terms and conditions according to the Nawab, then they don't have the right to fortify the factory. This provocations was enough for Siraj to provoke the war. अब ये बहुत था, ये एक ऐसी सिचुएशन हो गई थी कि अब युद्ध होना पॉसिबल ही था. दैट मीन्स ब्रिटिश बहुत ज़्यादा बॉयल हो चुके थे कि ये हमारे काम में बीच में आ रहे हैं. एंड देन दे बोथ ब्रिटिश एंड सिराजुद्दौला हैड अ वॉर बिटवीन बोथ ऑफ देम. हु? द नवाब सिराजुद्दौला and the British merchants. as he succeeded in expelling the British from Calcutta. And he succeeded in expelling the British, and सिराजुद्दौला finally succeeded और उन्होंने ब्रिटिश को वहाँ से हटा दिया था from Calcutta. Okay, now we will talk about Sirajuddaulah, the British counter attack. So now British had created a very good position in India. They got a very good power, and finally Sirajuddaulah destroyed everything. Yes, because they are not following the terms and conditions. So Sirajuddaulah ordered to not construct any factory, not fortify the building, the factory site. So he was very angry. They had a war. British lost the war, and Sirajuddaulah won. So now he was out of from Calcutta. उन्हें कैलकत्ता से जाना पड़ा. Now the British counter attack another under the leadership of Robert Clive. Now they called Robert Clive here from England, and Robert Clive bribed Mir Jafar, द कमांडर इन चीफ ऑफ सिराजुद्दौला. अब उन्होंने क्या किया, जो सिराजुद्दौला के जो कमांडर थे उन्हें उन्होंने रिश्वत दी, दैट मीन्स दे ब्राइब, और उन्होंने उनको अपने फेवर में लाया ताकि वो सिराजुद्दौला पे अटैक कर सके. यस, नाउ व्हाट दे डिड, दे ब्राइब्ड मीन्स उन्हें रिश्वत देना, उनको अपनी साइड लेना. नाउ ये रॉबर्ट क्लाइव जो थे, द रॉबर्ट क्लाइव ब्राइब्ड मीर जफर, द कमांडर इन चीफ ऑफ सिराजुद्दौला, with the promise to confer. What promise they did? They promised that after Sirajuddaulah they will give the position of Nawab to Mir Jafar. उन्होंने ये कहा कि सिराजुद्दौला के बाद ये पोजीशन जो है वो मैं आपको, नवाब जो है वो आपको ये पोजीशन मिलेगी. So like this they bribed Mir Jafar and they took Mir Jafar in their side, and they started planning to remove Sirajuddaulah. Okay, so and what happened? Mir Jafar joined them. Mir Jafar joined the British. With this help, Robert Clive defeated and murdered Sirajuddaulah. इस तरीके से उन्होंने रॉबर्ट क्लाइव के साथ मिलकर सिराजुद्दौला का मर्डर किया था. They killed Sirajuddaulah in the Battle of Plassey. Yes, what happened? The person, those who are in our side, he went and joined the enemies. So they had what they did? They all together murdered Sirajuddaulah in the Battle of Plassey. Okay, so this was the first war fought by the company in India, which marked the beginning of British rule in India. Thus this war is considered as a turning point in the history of India. ये एक ऐसा युद्ध था जब पहली बार ब्रिटिश जो है वो इंडिया के ऊपर जीत हासिल की थी. इसीलिए ये जो समय था ये क्या कहलाता था? टर्निंग पॉइंट ऑफ ब्रिटिश रूल, टर्निंग पॉइंट ऑफ हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंडिया. Yes, so now the British are very confident that they can do anything in India. They had won this war and they will bribe the other people and they will attack our Nawabs. So this was the turning point of history of India, how they murdered Sirajuddaulah. Now students, the Battle of Boxer, this is our last topic. As promised, East India Company appointed Mir Jafar as Nawab of Bengal. जैसे उन्होंने प्रॉमिस किया था, आफ्टर मर्डरिंग सिराजुद्दौला ही विल मेक द नवाब ऑफ बंगाल whom the Mir Jafar. So finally, as promised, they have to do that. So Mir Jafar was now the Nawab of Bengal. Robert Clive also went back to England. So now Robert Clive was finished. He had done his work and now he went back to England. With the passage of time, Mir Jafar became hostile towards the British. जैसे जैसे समय गया, मिर जफ़र जो था उनका काम ब्रिटिश को अच्छा नहीं लगता था, वो उनकी नज़रों में रहते थे, जैसे जासूसी करते थे. यस, सो नाउ दे आर नॉट सेटिस्फाइड विद द वर्क ऑफ मिर जफ़र. द कंपनी डिसाइडेड टू रिप्लेस हिम विद हिज सन इन लॉ मीर काजिम. तो कंपनी ने ये डिसाइड किया कि मिर जफ़र को हटा के उनके जो सन इन लॉ है, यस, उनके जो दामाद है, उनको हम यहाँ पे पोजीशन देंगे एज ए नवाब. सो दे डिड दैट. They give the position of Nawab to the Mir Kazim. Who was Mir Kazim? He is a son-in-law of Mir Jafar. Mir Kazim was an efficient, disciplined and clever ruler. लेकिन हुआ क्या? बहुत उल्टा हुआ. मीर काजिम जो था वो बहुत ही एक अच्छा रूलर था, सच्चा इंसान था, डिसिप्लिन को फॉलो करता था, गलत चीज़ें उन्हें बर्दाश्त नहीं होती थी. सो मीर काजिम वॉज एन एफिशिएंट, डिसिप्लिन एंड क्लेवर रूलर. The problem arose between the Nawab and the British company again. What problems? The same issue, non-payment of taxes. जो मुद्दा पहले उठा था सिराजुद्दौला के टाइम पे, काजिम के टाइम पे, सेम इशू स्टार्टेड बैक। उन्होंने भी उन्हें अपोज किया पेमेंट टैक्स पेमेंट ना करने की वजह से। सो अगेन द कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स, यस, जिन्होंने नवाब बनाया, दोज हु हैड मेड मीर काजिम एज अ नवाब, now he is opposing the British due to the non-payment of taxes. Now the problem arose between the Nawab and the company on the account of non-payment. फिर से उन लोगों में disputes होने लगे non-payment of taxes की वजह से, which ultimately brought both the forces face to face in each other. तो फिर से दोनों आमने सामने आ गए, the British and the Nawab of Bengal who मीर काजिम। अब ये फिर से एक लड़ाई यानी बैटल की एक सिचुएशन हो गई थी। इन 1763 मीर काजिम डिफीटेड द कंपनी बट ही एस्केप्ड। व्हाट हैपेंड, मीर काजिम वॉज डिफीटेड बाय द कंपनी ने, ब्रिटिश बहुत पावरफुल थी, उन्होंने मीर काजिम को डिफीट यानी हरा दिया था, लेकिन उन्होंने मीर काजिम को कोई नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाया बिकॉज ही एस्केप्ड, वो वहाँ से भाग गए थे। ही रीऑर्गेनाइज्ड हिज आर्मी अलॉन्ग विद द फोर्सेस ऑफ नवाब ऑफ ओध। अब ये जो मीर काजिम थे, ही अगेन री एस्टैब्लिश हिज आर्मी, उन्होंने दूसरे लोगों के साथ मिलकर एक नई आर्मी रीऑर्गेनाइज की, और हु हेल्प्ड हिम नवाब ऑफ औध, शुजाउद्दौला एंड मुगल एम्परर शाह आलम II. These are the 3 or 4 persons those who helped Mir Kazim to reorganize a new army to fight with the British. Their combined forces met the company forces at Boxer in 1764. अब जो बैटल ऑफ प्लाजी हुआ था सिराजुद्दौला का, वैसे ही ये बॉक्सर में ये लड़ाई हुई थी, बैटल ऑफ बॉक्सर इन 1764 विद होम, विद मीर काजिम, नवाब ऑफ औध, शुजाउद्दौला एंड मुगल एम्पायर, दे ऑल टुगेदर कंबाइंड and fought with the British in 1764. Now what happened, the British East India Company won the war. Again they won the war. कौन जीते? British East India Company. And all of the sudden Bengal, Awadh, Lucknow and Mughal Empire was under their control. और ये युद्ध के बाद, बॉक्सर ऑफ बैटल के बाद, what happened, this British had considered as a very powerful and they got the control on Bengal, Awadh, that means Lucknow, and Mughal Empire is there in their control now. Robert Clive was sent to India. So now again Robert Clive done his work, and now again after whatever the conflicts created, he called back to India, okay, to control the situation. Why Robert Clive called to India? To control all this situation of war and battle. Okay, so that's how the East India Company, a trading company, emerged as a political power as a subcontinent of India. इस तरीके से ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी जो है एक बहुत ही पॉलिटिकल कंपनी की तरह इंडिया में सेटल हो गई थी। वाई? बिकॉज दे फॉट विद सिराजुद्दौला एंड वॉन, अगेन दे फाइट विद मीर काजिम एंड दे वॉन, एंड देन लास्ट फाइनली they fought in the battle of Boxer and they won. They got the control in Bengal, Mughal Emperor, Lucknow. So now they considered as a political power company in India. So students, finally our chapter is finished. So I hope you understand everything. Thank you.